What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Cure, the Cure love song. Great. I did this a long time ago, but let's redo it with my new background. Also, I have a big cold, so I might sound a little strange. Anyway, let's go. A minor, standard tuning. Alright, I'm in standard. Yes. So we got some pretty simple chords, and then I'm going to show you the melody and maybe some other stuff too. So for the intro with the melody, A minor, 1, 2, 3, let's go. G major, 1, 2, 3. F minor 7. It's 1 on the B, 2 G, 3 A, and 3 D. Back to the G. This is before the vocals. That's over there too. Singing, it's the same chords, except instead of going back to the G after the F major 7, we're gonna play an E minor. So that's every time over the verses when he's singing. Remember, instead of going back to G here, E minor. We got that beautiful chorus that starts on F major 7 sorry, to G, A minor to C major 7. That's 2D, 3C, 3A. Okay, before we end the lesson, I gotta go because my throat's freaking out. But this melody is starting on the B string, first fret, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 1. And while you're playing the B string, hit the high E open too. On 2G, which is an A note. Second time you end on 3. guys, I gotta go. I can't take this coughing. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Here's a little love song for you by The Cure. See you tomorrow. Thanks.